Student, if you have the 3 axes, x axis, y axis and z axis, and if you have a coordinate, sorry, if you have a point whose coordinate is given, this is point P, P in the space whose coordinate is given as x comma y comma z. Then in that case, what will be the position vector of this point P? Position vector, that means if we join this point with the origin, when you join, then this vector OP is called position vector of the point whose coordinate is x comma y comma z. Now, what will be the value of this? See, student, along the x axis, if you take a unit vector I cap, if you take a unit vector j cap, if you take a unit vector k cap along the z axis, along the y axis, along the x axis, then position vector of this point, that is P, position vector of this point P is equal to, OP is equal to, basically this is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap plus z k cap. That means we just simple multiplying the x coordinate with the unit vector along the x axis, y coordinate with the unit vector along the y axis, and the z coordinate with the unit vector along the z axis. And this OP is called position vector of point P. In short, it is written as PV of point P. This is the position vector. Thank you.